What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake, and I'm going to be fishing with my cousin, actually. Well, kind of my cousin. He's my brother's cousin. Long story. Either way, we're going to be heading out on a bass boat today, which is kind of rare. I never do something like this. I've gone out on a boat maybe like twice, 2 or 3 times around there. So I'm going to show him around. He's been getting kind of skunked lately, so I'm gonna teach him some tips and tricks, go to some juicy areas, because I know some spots that are really good but I can't get there on my yak. So I'm gonna show him those spots today. Hopefully we can slay them and catch some fish. So we'll see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it.
You know how to operate, you can operate it.
I think I know. Got one. First fish of the day.
Top one, huh?
Yeah, I didn't expect that, dude. Here we go. Dude, we've been here for like 5 minutes. Not even.
Not even.
Here we go, man.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, bro.
First fish. First fish, everybody, on the boat. Little dinker back in the water. We haven't even been here that long, man.
I know, dude, we haven't.
Or maybe even a little spook. Those do pretty good here.
I got a spook, but it's pretty big.
Hey, even those, man. A lot of people use big spooks and they slay them. Got another one, everybody. I'm telling you, dude, frog or spook. It's a decent one.
Barely got on there.
Getting you, buddy. Second fish of the day. Dude, that'd be like a 3-pounder if it wasn't paper skinny.
They've been skinny lately.
Yeah, post spawn.
Yeah.
Nice fish, nevertheless. There it goes. Got one. Third fish of the day. That feels like a smallie. Oh, that's a nice smallmouth. That is a nice smallmouth, dude. Feels like it's barely hooked though. Let's freaking go. It's not bad, man. Third fish.
Yeah, dude, it's good.
Put up a fight. We've been fishing for like, how long have we been fishing for? Like another hour without a bite?
Yeah, dude, it's been a while.
Yeah. You need to catch one, dude. You need to catch one.
I know.
There he goes. You want the front of the boat?
No, you're good.
You gotta at least catch one today, dude.
No. I'm gonna have to switch to a worm.
Yeah. Try it. Yeah, Cinco or something. Got one? Nice. Get the skunk out of the boat.
Yeah.
Got one. Doubled up, man. Let's freaking go. Right next to that stick, right when it hit the water.
Really?
Yeah, right next to that.
Can't get mine out. I got him right in the throat.
Oh, here, I know how to get those out. Fourth fish of the day. First fish for you, man. First one.
How do you get those out? I always have trouble.
You go through the gills. You put the hook like this through the gill, and usually it just, it just pops right out. See? And that saves them, because a lot of people,
they just
pull it out and they bleed out, but they can swim right away.
Don't.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to get Texas, but nobody gets on the roof. My wife don't get out.
That's one.
You going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you had a follower. Cast in there. Yeah.
I'm already out there.
Oh, dang.
That's a good one.
It's a nice one, man.
Yep. I said I need to fish more often.
You need to fish with me more often. You'll catch them. I'll give you all the secrets. Fifth fish of the day, everybody. Another fish. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, dude, he's freaking fighting. That's a healthy fish. He's chunky. Dude, look at that belly.
Yeah, dude.
What is that? I lost count. 6? 6 fish?
Yeah.
Not bad. Dude, that fish put up a fight. Got one. Yeah. Dinker. Seventh, right?
Yeah, 7.
Little dinker. Oh.
Oh yeah, little.
There he goes.
Having some good luck today.
I know, right? Nah, bro, I just have the advantage. I'm at the front. That's why I asked you like twice. You want to be in the front? You sure? Cause you sure?
Yeah.
You sure, man? You don't want to be in the front? It's the biggest one of the day. And your buddy. You sure, man? You sure? It's like a.
That was good.
Like a 2-pounder.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It looked bigger underwater.
Yeah, it did. It looked like a 3. I thought it was like a 3. Back in the water. Oh, got a bite.
You got one?
Got one. It's a decent one.
That's good.
I know, right? Alright, buddy, chill. Wait, is that my 8th fish? Dang.
How many have you caught in one day?
8. That's a nice one, dude. I wasn't recording.
Oh.
You got him like right up to the... There goes your Cinco in the water.
Obviously, guys, I'm not recording and I'm catching fish. So, this guy has 8. I got 2.
Alright, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. What a day. Honestly, a pretty good day. I caught 8 fish in total, I think. Tony caught 2, but I kept telling him I had the advantage because I was at the front of the boat. I asked him several times if he wanted the front of the boat. He did not want the front of the boat, so hey, it is what it is. I caught 8 fish, he caught 2, but now he knows the spots. Now he knows how to catch fish. Gave him a few good tips and tricks, and so hopefully next time he can come out by himself and just slay them. So we had a good day nevertheless. I was gonna do my outro with him, but my GoPro battery is about to die and my external battery is dead, so I am doing the outro right now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to make more videos, get back in that rhythm of making videos. I know the last video I only caught 1 fish, so hopefully this redeems from the last video where I only caught 1 fish. We caught 8 fish today, had a day. It's currently like 12 o'clock and we started about 7 o'clock or 6:45. I'm not too sure, but a good day. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.